Last year's overall median sold price was up from 2024 by 5.6% to $329,250, factoring in all 9 counties, while days before a contract hovered around 59 days, a 20.4% rise in the length of time on the market before a seller received a contract. It's Friday, January 16th. I am Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. 3.3% more inventory hit the market in 2025 over all homes listed for sale in 2024, and this year in 2026, we can expect that trend to continue. Inventory for homes offered for sale right now fell 0.6% to 1,861 from last report, and this is at a median $389,900. 109 homes will be coming to the market at a $400,000 median list price. 125 homes went under contract in 69 days with a median list price of $330,000. 85 homes sold in 40 days at 95.8% and at a median sold price of $370,000. Rentals fell to 168 units at a median $2,075 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.